Looking to remove the background from your photos or videos? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you an easy and unique way to make your backgrounds disappear. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Adult, your go-to place for incredible tech tips, mind-blowing tricks, and the latest in the world of technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Head over to this incredibly simple platform. Once you're there, just click on the image background option. It'll take you straight to the right page. Now, upload the photo you want to edit. As soon as it's uploaded, the tool automatically removes the background for you. From there, you can easily change the background color, resize your image, and get it ready to download. But that's not all. There's also an awesome tool called Remove Background from Videos. Just upload your video, and this tool will cleanly remove the background, giving you smooth, professional-looking results. You'll also have the option to change the background color, upload your own custom background, and finally, download your finished video with just a click. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodol platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.